What's up guys, it's Kong right here, and welcome back to another episode of TA in 10, the episode where I explain technical analysis skills within 10 minutes or less. Alright, let's not waste any more time, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and let's get started right now. Boom! What is going on everybody, and welcome back to another episode of TA in 10, and welcome to the new year 2021. I believe this year is going to be amazing, and we have a lot planned for this year. So guys, I would say today's topic is going to be trading in a range or ranges in general. Now, these ranges in the bull market, they are mysterious things. You can see them everywhere. You believe that mostly buying the range lows and selling the range highs, or even shorting the range highs, would be enough. But then sometimes what happens is you long the range lows and then it breaks down, or you short the range high and it starts breaking out. So I'm gonna show you today, guys, the all nifty things about ranges, what is needed to know about them, and how to master them like a pro. So today we have a beautiful chart of polka dot right here, and we have a nice range on the 1 hourly. I for myself like building ranges with two key levels. That means mostly it is a high and a candle close, or like the highest candle close and then the low and the lowest candle close. This is the way how I build my own ranges, and this has been showing me very profitable. Now, as you remember our swing failure pattern video from last time, this is pretty much what you're looking for in a range. For me, so rule number one, whenever you're looking to short inside of a range or long inside of the range, you're looking for a swing failure pattern. So, as obviously you should be longing support, you would not be longing support if it is not a swing failure pattern, if you don't have a wick inside and then close above and etc. You really want to have a solid swing failure pattern. The same thing is also having a swing failure pattern on the upside. Now, here comes the tricky thing, and here is another rule that really not many people know about. And this is, at what points should you be shorting the range highs or longing the range lows? Because there are different scenarios. There are different ways how this builds up, how this entire thing goes up, or how this entire thing goes down. Now, whenever the market is moving irrationally fast, that means you have either a very strong candle to the upside, and this means simply that within this candle, this was a kind of, you can call it like a bullish engulfing inside of a range, but you move to the range highs too quickly. You move too irrationally. It was way too fast. And this too fast movement mostly means that we are either going to have a swing failure pattern, or...
And now, a word from our sponsors.
Oh. Yo, what's up, Jimmy? How you doing, my brother? Oh, yeah. I heard that BTC hit all-time high. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Prime XBT, yeah, I'm gonna tell them, my boys. All right, I'm gonna tell that to my boys. All right, Jimmy, call you later, my brother. What's up, guys? I just went off the call with Jimmy. Jimmy just told me to tell you about Prime XBT. Now, look at Prime XBT. What a beautiful platform called Prime XBT. You can trade turbo, you can trade co-vesting, and you can do even analysis on Prime XBT. Do you see this beautiful technical analysis on Prime XBT? Since I trade on Prime XBT, it has been hitting all-time highs. Yes, exactly. You trade on Prime XBT and Bitcoin hits all-time highs. If you trade on Prime XBT, you can dress like this. Exactly. So get on Prime XBT. Trade co-vesting, trade turbo, trade the trades, and get on your account. You can trade Forex, you can trade crypto, and you can trade the British dollar. Sign up on Prime XBT. I trade Prime XBT with Prime XBT. Sign up right now. That you would like to short in this case. Now, As you can see, the momentum was carried on into the next candle, but what happened was you did not see the close above the range highs, and then boom, you got rejected, boom, went for the next low. Now, yes, you see the opposite direction. If you have an irrational move to the downside, this mostly means that after this move, the market is exhausted and you could see a quick carry on, the swing failure that we were talking about, a quick carry on below the lows, and then boom, close above them, and then you saw the real breakout. All right, now there is another quick rule that not many people know about, or like people are talking about it but not many traders are actually using it, and this is you should not be shorting a higher high or even a higher low into the resistance. So if you see a higher high or a higher low on the candle closes, you should not be shorting at resistance. Why? Because this means that buyers are inclined to buy at the lows, and then even at the higher lows, it means they are willing to buy at higher prices, which then decreases the chances of this resistance actually holding and increases the chances of seeing a full breakout like this here. Sounds cool, right? Now, obviously, the same thing goes in the other direction as well. If you see a lower high or a lower low into support, or maybe you have a close right here, a lower high or a lower low into support, also you should not be longing that one, because once again it shows sellers are stepping in, sellers are looking to sell at even lower prices because they believe that the price is going to go lower again. All right, so this was about that. Now we're gonna be taking a look at a different chart where this worked perfectly, and this is algo. All right, now so Algorand perpetual futures, as you can see, beautiful 1 hourly range. Once again, we had the highs, we had the lows set, boom, we had our swing failure pattern, another swing failure pattern right here. And this is one thing that many people don't understand or don't see. Whenever you have such a flat support at a range low, and as we are at the moment are in a bull market, this is one of the best opportunities you can have. Seeing super many lows, super many wicks into support that are getting bought up, that means buyers are stepping in and they're buying inside of these prices, and then boom, you have a breakout, boom, you have an irrational move, it retraces, you have another irrational move, it retraces, okay? But all the retracers are followed by a strong movement to the upside, and this already shows you that the buyers are stepping in. All right, now guys, for the last part of this video, I would like to talk to you about the breakouts and the continuations, and a little nifty tip that you should be following, and this is really going to make the difference in a bull market. Now take a look, guys. We have our breakout. That means even if you shorted here, you would be closing out here, and then you have the retest after the breakout. These retests are very important. As long as you have this beautiful retest of the range highs, then you get the continuation. This is your point of maximum opportunity where you should be and could be getting into the asset. Now, once again, and on this retest, you would not be getting in on this candle, not on this candle, not any of these candles that are closing below the range highs. As soon as you have the candle above the range highs again closing, this would be this one right here. Let me make it very quickly white. So above this white line, this is where you get in and are exactly following the perfect move, the highest chances of a follow through of a continuation for this asset. All right, guys, now the last and very nifty tip is from my side. As we are in a bull market, I would not be shorting the range highs. I would be taking profits for sure, but not shorting the range highs. Why? Because in the bull market, especially in crypto, we have such a high volatility, we have such a high momentum, that anything could be breaking out faster than you look, and in general, shorting in a bull market should only be a scalp. I mean, sure, you could be taking these scalps, but in my personal experience, it's really not worth it. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you for coming back this year, and stay tuned for a lot of new content. I would say see you on the next video, and Kong, peace out. Now, wasn't that a beautiful series of another TA10 video, guys? Thank you very much for joining, and make sure to leave a like if you like this video, and obviously dislike it if you disliked it. I really appreciate every single one of you right here, and to show you more, to do more education for you guys, I am doing Twitch streams every Tuesday and Thursday, confirmed at 6 p.m. UTC. You can tune in on kongbtc.live. The links are all in the description. So guys, thank you once again, and see you on the next video. As always, Mondays and Wednesdays, 6 p.m. UTC. You know it. You know what to do. Click the subscribe button. Kong out.